Apple plans to replace both its third generation and second generation AirPods. Apple AirPods 4 was released later this year. IBM's hybrid AI makes smaller language models, SLMs, powerful. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 will be released on 24th July, measures the blood sugar. AMD revealed AMD Strix and AMD Strix Halo APUs based on RDNA 3.5 and Zen 5 architecture. Crucial revealed T705 PCIe Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD is the best for creative professionals and gamers. Wacom released Wacom Tablet Movink 13 is a thin, ultra-light pen display. STALKER trilogy encourages players to explore the zone, talk to vendors, and complete side tasks to learn about the factions. Database resiliency engineering, Dell embracing chaos.